we are moving to the part 8 of the project management interview question. So let's get it started. So the 36th question in the series is, how do you manage difficult stakeholders? You can answer it. I apply active listening, empathy, and a structured communication. First, I understand their concerns, their expectations, and then I tailor my communication and involve them in decision making early. For instance, a finance lead once blocked a new ERP process. I held one-on-one session with him, walked him through the impact analysis, and gave him co-ownership of the risk assessment. His resistance immediately turned into support, and he advocated our uh, processes even more after this session. So the next question that is there is, how do you ensure smooth communication across a global project team? Now, as you are seeing, the global teams are new normal, so you can be asked these type of questions in the project management interview question, so you can answer it. I define a communication matrix aligned to the time zones and cultural differences. I use a mix of synchronous and asynchronous tools. I use Teams for daily synchronization and Confluence for documentation. And a status report I get on email. In one global cloud migration project, this approach ensured zero escalation despite being spread across 4 continents. So with this, you can complete your answer. The next question that can be asked after this is, what is your leadership style? Because I have told them that I can lead the team, so they are asking me that, what is your leadership style? So I can answer it. I practice situational leadership, adapting style based on the team's maturity and project context. I am assertive yet collaborative. I focus on outcomes and continuous improvement. As a teacher also, I led with mentorship as a mentor for my team. In transformation project especially, I lead through influence, metrics, vision alignment, and data-driven decision making. So with this, you have given them your trait. The next question that can be asked immediately after it will be, how do you motivate your team under tight deadlines? So I can answer it like, I keep the team focused on the bigger picture first and celebrate the small wins that we achieve. I provide clarity, shield them from noise, and ensure the open communication happens within the team. During a critical go live, I rotated shifts, recognized high performers publicly, and even arranged meal support. This helped me to improve the morale of the team, and we were able to successfully deliver the project even ahead of the schedule. So with this, you can complete your answer, and the next question that can be asked immediately after it will be, tell me about a time when you turned around a falling project. So you can answer it. A training digitization project was 5 weeks behind the schedule due to the poor requirement capturing phase. So I paused the execution immediately, ran a rapid discovery session to ascertain the problem. I re-baselined the scope and introduced agile weekly reviews. Within 3 weeks into the system, we were back on track and eventually delivered 3 days early. The client later expanded the contract based on the success of the project. So with this we have come to the end of question number 14.